Hey people, so I just felt that it's Jawani Janeman, the movie that stars Saif Ali Khan and Alaya F, that is Pooja Bedi's daughter. I mean, the film has a certain vibe that it's a very happy film. So I can't recommend it enough. I mean, in terms of a big salute to the team behind the movie, because a film like this speaks of, it's like a very new age story. I mean, because and a new age story is set in a very like you're laughing all along. It's that cute. So right from Taboo to the supporting cast, cute film. So Jawani Janeman is a movie that you should watch if you really want to have a good time. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.